Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, DIY Hook and Custom Crafts. This is Denise. I'm so glad you all are able to join me today, and thank you for subscribing. So in this video, we're going to do that fast, quick, get her done coaster. We're going to use the amazing fast casting resin, and then we're going to use the regular clear cast resin. And we're going to also cut the decals out using the Cricut machine. So hold on to your seats. Let's get her done. And again, thank you for watching. Hi guys, so here we are. I took my images, I downloaded them, and now they're placed on my Cricut mat for printing. These are actually approximately 3 inches. So these are the ones that will be placed in the resin coasters. And we will be printing on this glossy inkjet vinyl self-adhesive. And I also will be printing this on a Canon P100 printer. And I got this printer because this was one of the high-ranking printers to print decals. So it takes up a lot of real estate, but I'm telling you, the decals come out like perfect. Okay, so it's all set up, it's ready to go, and my glossy is forward facing, and once it prints, I'm going to let it sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes because you want it to sit that long to make sure that ink is dry, because remember, this is photo paper, and if you touch it too soon or try to work with it, it will definitely smear. So just let it set about 5 or 10 minutes, and then I am able to directly take it and put it, of course after cutting, put it in the coasters. Okay, so they came out really nice, but I should have not had the bleed turned on because they kind of bled through the edges, and that's what it does. But that's okay because once I cut it, it's going to cut a lot of that out. So if you can see, it really had an effect on the helmet. But that's okay because I can also reprint them and do it right. But those round decals, they came out perfectly. Okay guys, so this is the amazing fast resin. It's like 30 seconds work time. And I'm telling you, you got to stir for those 30 seconds, and then whatever mold you have, dump them fast, because this stuff will pretty much cure fast. And now here you have the stickers that I printed out on the Cricut. So I'm gonna put the stickers on these coasters, and then if you come over here are some that I've already finished.